guys, we just came to the shelter. I saw something very, very disturbing. This puppy has been skinned. And this mother dog is just laying next to it. Wow. I don't know how this would have happened, if the puppy would have been killed here or...
Abi ben biliyorum, dün bu köpeği biz gömdük. Köpeği çıkarmış oradan, gittim şimdi kontrol ettim. Yavrusunu geri buraya getirmiş, gömdüğümüz yerden çıkarmış.
Nasıl yani?
Orada bak, gel göstereyim sana, arkaya gömmüştük, yavruyu geri getirmiş, başında yatırmış zaten yavruyu.
Alright guys, apparently what Issa's saying here is this puppy was dead yesterday and they buried the puppy, okay? They buried the puppy, and the place that they've buried the puppy, the mother was laying there next to her puppy that has died. So let's go check it out, see if that's what it is. It's terrible, guys. Wow, that's, you know what? If it's true what he's saying, then that mother dog would have bring that puppy there because she was standing by, sitting next to that puppy, and she was licking it. So she would have been licking it so much that the skin, the hair would have came off to the skin. It's got its fur there. Okay, all right. See his fur, the white fur. Okay, so now guys, we've got proof. Look how upset she looks. She doesn't look happy at all. She looks really, 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 really depressed. So what we're gonna do is, guys, we're gonna have to bury this puppy somewhere else, okay? This mother is obviously got psychological issues. She doesn't want to let go of her puppy, all right? She's gonna constantly keep bringing this puppy out, keep digging it out, and bringing the puppy back here with all the other siblings. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna get this puppy, we're gonna bury this puppy for the second time, okay? And we're gonna see if this is the actual case, okay? So let's go. There's no other dead puppies or anything like that here besides this guy. Oh guys, see all that? It's been literally skinned. I actually can't believe what's going on here. Okay, so she was sitting right here. We completely missed everything. Like we were doing the feed, we were doing everything, and I seen this last, and I'm like, what's going on here? It was just, wow. All right, okay, bro. Alright guys, so we're just burying him now again, second time. Alright guys, we're going to monitor the mother, see if she comes back here. And if she does, we've got to take this puppy somewhere else, somewhere far. Okay, so we're going to use this bus, okay? The guys are going to scout in the bus. We're going to do the rest of the feed. One of the boys are going to stay here, scout and wait in there and record what's happening. All right, guys? Okay guys, so we're gonna go find the puppy again. Look, that's all the fur. This was where it was buried the second time. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna put the puppy in here. We're gonna take the puppy to a different location. All right. Oh, look, the fur, can you see the fur? Look, it's over that way, that way. Beni takip etmemiz lazım. Ha, bak orada. Bize kadar gelmiş. Look guys, see that? Looks like we're on the right path. Let's keep going guys.
Bro.
Yeah,
Buldun mu?
yeah.
Buldu.
Geldik.
Geldik.
Well, she's done. She's buried. She's buried the dog here. Okay guys, so this is where she's buried him, in the woods. Oh, that's terrible. Okay, so I'm gonna take this puppy, guys. I'm not gonna leave it here because she's psychologically ruined, and she's just gonna keep mourning and mourning. And it's just gonna make things worse. It's best if we take the puppy away from this environment. It's best if we take this puppy away from this environment, guys. That's terrible. This is one of the most wicked things I've ever seen, guys. One of the most wicked things I've ever seen. Terrible, guys. So we're gonna bury this puppy. So we've decided to bury the dog, the puppy, here. We've driven a little bit far out. Okay. Okay guys, So imagine that. Being buried 3 times, being dug out twice. That's what this puppy has just witnessed. Now, I've buried him, put rocks, and then that on top. That body will dissolve. It gets really hot up here. We've got the salt here, the salty water. And that's it, guys.
Oh my god. Not again. Not again. What is she doing? That's terrible, guys. Look. This is number 2. Look, she looks depressed again. Same situation. Same as yesterday. She's giving that same face. And she's got her hand over.
You know what, guys? That's not even her puppy. That's not her puppy. Her puppies are these ones. Okay? That is not her puppy. Because we maybe would have taken the puppy yesterday, maybe, I don't know. So it's looking like what happened yesterday, guys.